I'm not Amboy anymore.
Wow, good for you.
I'm not Amboy anymore.
Hindi ka na Samuel.
Because I'm so far from Amboy because like I speak Tagalog and I'm so far from Amboy now. He made me really...
Hihita na kakamay.
Oh,
Wow.
he said, I have to stay. I have to stay this Saturday. I have to.
You will.
I just have to stay Saturday. I have to, otherwise you guys are, oh,
Tapos yung nakita ko ni Direct Joey, hindi niya makapaniwala na ganito na ako ngayon. Nag-evolve. I was really different from before. Yung nakita mo.
You?
You can say it. He said it.
Okay.
Okay lang.
So, doon. He seems me like, i-introduce niya ako kay Eman. Tapos i-introduce niya ako doon kay Direct. Like, okay, parang gano'n lang si Direct. Parang walang ano. Pero, na-shock siya. Nung pasok ko na dito. Like, proud na proud talaga siya sa akin.
Derek doesn't say this, but diba I met him when I first moved to the Philippines. He actually wanted to message me.
Huh?
He wanted to message me. But he goes, I'm just so busy with movies and stuff like that right now. But because we'll develop. And so that's why nakataon. Diba it's like fate that I came
You're here.
That I'm here.
Kaya imposibleng matanggal ka.
So, diba, can you imagine? Like, he even, basta, it was like, diba, he said it to you guys. I met him about 3 years ago. When I first moved here, I met him. And he was trying to
And you were
help me.
big pa daw before.
He was trying to help me. I was a little bit fatter. And that's why he's like, diba, he's like, you're so skinny now. Because,
How big
but I
are
like
you back
myself
then?
now.
But gusto ko makikita yung picture mo talaga. No? Ano yung tsura mo nun?
Fat.
How fat?
Fat.
Like,
Probably me and Dan
Iñaki?
like, mixed together.
Iñaki? Ganyan?
Wala akong magawa.
Sige.
Once you know why you go so fast? You should sit there and wait till it all comes out.
But it's water.
Sakit ka. Ako rin. Waterproofy ko. Pero ako mag...
But me and Dan.
Hindi ko mag-gets kung bakit ang tagal-tagal nyo lahat mag-poopy.
It took me like a few seconds.
Ba't ikaw, ang tagal nyo mag-poopy?
Diba, I just put my
Tagal
I want, because I want it out. Because, sometimes I, diba?
Kasi ako pag super nandiyan na doon ko nilalabas eh.
What is that? How come it looks so different?
Anda. Mukhang ano, malagkit na ano.
I only poo when I need to poo.
Suman.
Uy, yun yung ano sa amin, delicacy.
Ala, guwawa! Wow, favorite ko!
Yung sarap, yung may chocolate. Yun yung ano sa
Ano ka ba? Tagal na yun.
Alam mo, pupunta ako doon.
Gago.
Ito, lahat ko, mga lugar na pupunta ako
masarap
talaga.
talaga. Tapos may mangga, chocolate.
Pagpasok mo pa lang dito.
Pag fiesta, kakatapos lang ng fiesta. Pag fiesta,
Yung ngay, wala.
may contest sa plaza. May malaking booth. Malaking mga
Cardboard na ganun.
Tapos may pa-contest doon.
Sarap. Ang gipang sarap.
Yung manager yung ginawa namin. Yung band.
Tapos next, yung dalawa na.
Sila sa lang. I'm masa. I'm not Amboy anymore.
Ha?
I'm not Amboy and I'm masa. That makes me feel so proud.
You're Filipina! Oh my God!
Bakit? Paano in-explain ni...
I'm masa. I'm masa. Because I was worried about that. Because I'm not masa. Talaga.
Uwi mo?
Yan ang gusto.
Oy, katulad
Uy,
yung kay
ako.
Kasi
Sam.
super nice.
Yeah, they want to take me home now.
Yeah.
People want to take me home.
Even I wanna take you home.
They wanna take me to bars.
Hindi naman.
They want to take this one to bars, have a
Alam mo, hindi feel ko hindi na ako
Details.
18 eh. Iniisip ko hindi 18 kaya...
Hindi, actually, that I didn't get. Because
Ay,
for me,
ngayon, alam ko na lalabas na ako.
hindi.
Kasi, iba ko sa stage eh.
Basta nga, wala mga ganyan. Teka lang, titignan ko lang yung niluluto.
One of us is going out. Who cares? Diba?
Magkataon lang na mahirap yung kalaban.
Anak, kailangan mong tulong.
Kasalanan ni Christian.
Ikaw. Oo, feeling ko. Huwag mong ganun sa sarili mo.
Pero,
Hindi man makabout eh.
pero
Alam mo ginaw si Apple di mo out?
Ako,
I'm ready na. Kung,
I know she's gonna...
pero sana, supportan din ako ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Enough na yun sa akin.
Oo. Ang galing.
Ang gusto mo
You know why when she goes out?
bookings.
I know what she's gonna do when she goes
Sure?
out. I know what she's gonna do when you go out.
Come to me, baby! Mami, basta.
Mami,
Dami,
she's gonna do this when she gets out.
Come to me, baby! Come to me!
Hoy,
Ay, Shivas.
hindi na ako magaganon. Siya yung magaganon sa akin.
I just remember us in the hotel. I was like, She goes, I go, did you know